Good morning, Joseph. This is Professor Anderson. I want to give you some quick feedback on this center section. I'm grading through your paper right now. You did a great job. Thanks so much for incorporating the feedback that I sent to you from your rough draft. I want to share with you a tip that might be able to help you with creating tables a little easier. I'm grateful. I love how you broke down those examples just like I asked you to from the feedback of your rough draft. But let me show you. I'm going to go into my email. I've shared with you guys how to work Drive and how to use Google Drive. So if I go into my Google Drive, and this is the sample paper somewhere in here, as soon as it comes up, because it's taking its sweet time there. Here's a sample paper. So when if you're creating your documents in Google Drive using your email, this is how you would do it. You would open up your Drive, go to your inbox, open up your Drive, click on new document, and then you would just start. So here's where I am in this quick little sample that I showed. This is the quick sample that I made for a screencast, I think at the first week of school. But if I go to insert here, I can create any size table I want. So I can just quickly insert it. And then I could have said label and I can't remember exactly the terms you use, but then you could go back and bold just this group. Oops, maybe I can go back and bold just this so that they're labeled. Then the next group, these next areas. So Mother's Day project. I think that was it. And then you could describe the label here. You could give the justification here. And then the next section, you could say, time, blah, blah, blah. I can't remember what the exact details of the example that you gave. Then label that one, then label, give the justification. Then if you find you need more, you can go up to tools. You go up to format and you go to table, and it allows you to insert a row below. So see, I can just quickly insert a row below. What I like about this also is if I decide, I decided I needed a new column, I can insert a column to the left. I can remove that column. So what I like about this, so I'm just going to go back here. I'm going to delete that column and go back to where I was. What I like about this, what would have been helpful for you is see how you have each one of these. I love how you separated the parts of that example, but you just went into that one column. This would have allowed you to have everything on one. Let me go back here, see how it's all the same. So the big picture is if you're doing, writing a business report for your upline chain of command, you would want everything to be visually appealing so that they could easily read it across. And this might be a tip for you in the future that you may be able to implement and integrate while you're at work. So I hope that that's helpful for you.